In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Freshbooks platform to cancel your account seamlessly. Whether you're consolidating your tools or simply moving to a different solution, it's important to know how you can close your account without any hiccups, ensuring all your data is handled properly in the process. First things first, let's head over to the Freshbooks website. Finding your way here is the beginning of the journey to closing your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner for the login button and click on it. This action is your gateway to accessing the personal and sensitive details of your account, so make sure you're ready to proceed with the necessary credentials. Through the login process, you may encounter various methods to sign in. For the ease of this demonstration, we'll use Sign In with Google as our example. Go ahead and click on that option. This will lead you to a page where you can select your Google account. It's a straightforward step, but remember to choose the Google account associated with your Freshbooks account to avoid any mix-up. Once you've selected your account, hit enter to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Freshbooks account. Your next move is to locate your profile photo, which is usually at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this photo will expose a drop-down menu with several options. But what you're looking for is the billing and upgrade section. Navigate your cursor there and click on it. This section of the website is where Freshbooks handles everything related to your subscription, including upgrades, downgrades, and most importantly, cancellations. Now it's time for the penultimate set of actions. Once you're in the billing and upgrade section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll encounter the cancel your account option. This is a crucial step, and it's designed to be less conspicuous as a final check to ensure users don't accidentally cancel their valuable accounts. By clicking cancel your account, you aren't done just yet. Freshbooks, like many other service providers, will likely make a last attempt to hold onto you as a customer. You'll be prompted with a continue to cancel option after possibly being presented with alternatives or offers to stay. It's essential to read through these options carefully. They might offer a solution you hadn't considered. However, if your mind is made up, go ahead and click Continue to Cancel. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've navigated through the Freshbooks platform to successfully cancel your account. It's always a good idea to receive confirmation from Freshbooks, whether through email or a notification on their platform, that confirms your account has indeed been cancelled. Keep this for your records to avoid any potential misunderstandings in the future. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that cancelling a service like Freshbooks means you might be losing access to crucial financial data or the unique tools that help manage your business finances. Always ensure you've exported all necessary information or have set up an alternative solution before completing these steps. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to cancel your Freshbooks account. Whether you're streamlining your business tools or moving to a new financial management platform, understanding how to manage your subscriptions is crucial. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Freshbooks support team or leave a comment below. Take care and best of luck with your financial management journey.